skulim wanem sampi no ritim lo Bible. Yu bay tok nating tasol. No osem. Wano site need long ritim Bible, preacha. No gutlo man lo ritim displa, osem wanem something all naraplasyos mekim. All tambuim, all memba blong all lo ritim Bible, because all talk, no gut all memba by Paul, because igat planti something hat lo clear long in insight lo Bible. God no tambuim, all man nating long ritim Bible. Tasol, number 1 man who site got walk bloritim Bible preacha. Long 1 pla verse blo Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 10. Man bilong autim talk ipainim rot bilong painim all tok i right. Na dispela something oli right imem straight pela. Yes, all tok i true. Clear preacha yet mas got this plawok blo ritim Bible. Apostle Paul bin prove him this pla time bin talk him Timothy 1 pla preacha o walkman. Long pas blongem lo Timothy talk lo 4:13 blo number 1 Timothy. Inap long mikam give him ting olgeta long ritim. Long tok bilong strong in bell. Long school bilong Bible. This pla tok igolo preacha. Site got number 1 walk blo painimaw talk blo God blo schoolim preacha. God sabi osem ino olgeta man inap gim olgeta time blong all lo ritim Bible. Because suppose you one pla papa, one pla mama, you look out tim all pikinini. Suppose you got 4 pla pikinini. Sampla time you know in a ritim Bible mo. Tasol no nungut lo ritim Bible. 1 platok strong lo ritim Bible long all brata. Stop lo right lo Colossi 4:16. Na time oli ritim dispela pas na melong yupela. Make him long oli ken ritim 2 long sios pilong online Laodicea. Na 1 kain osem long yupela iken ritim. Toko osem ol memba yet mas ritim displa. Tasolem no toko osem ritim ol getayet. Tasol mo beta suppose you can ritim ol getayet. Tasol suppose you know in a pritim ol getayet. No minim God by no kisim back you because you know bin ritim ol getayet. Because he got preach outside God bin talk him lo read. Outside by school him one something ritim. Osem big pla Jesus Christ. Sabi read behind long ritim school him one something ritim. 4:16 blo look. Na ikam long Nazareth, we papa mama ibin lukaw timem inaplong big pela, na olsem kastam bilongem, go inside long synagogue long day Sabbath, na sanap bilong read. Na only give him book bilong prophet Isaiah, na time bin open this pela book, pain in pinis place, we right stop pinis, spirit bilong big pela stop antap long me, bilong wanem bin maki me, bilong autim good news long all rabbis man. Bin sali mi long oraitim all man. Bel bilong all brook long autim pasin bilong kisim bek long all kalabus man. Na bilong mekim all aipas iken lukluk gen. Long mekim igo free all usat igat liklik bagarap. Long autim dispelaya i orait long ay bilong big pela. Na pasim dispela book. Na give him dispel again igo long walkman. Na sit down. Na ay bilongol olgetaw sat stop inside long synagogue ipa strong longem. Na stat long talk him all. Today, dispela right bilong God ika mapinis inside long all iya bilong yupela. Bin read na behind mekim talk liya. Behind lo Christ bin read osem preacha. Sabe by read we. Ino osem all narapla. All by open Bible pasimay poinim pinga. Na pinga po ini mo ng verse by reading. No straight. Pasin blo Christ by kisim 1 pla verse we sabe verse stop we bin displahap we right stop longen bin reading. True. Like school him sampla something. Behind lo reading bin bekim back book bin tanim gim lo walkman na bin sit down o kita line lo synagogue bin lukluk longem bin stat lo school him all now na tok-tok. displa empasim lo preachablo God. Wanem something by schoolim, by writing pastem lo Bible. Preacha got displa walk blo read. Wanem something by schoolim, mas writing lo Bible. You know, inap schoolim wanem something no writing lo Bible. You by tok nating tasol, no osem. Tasol, mi tokim you, writing Bible. All membablo, all shows can writing Bible. Long mipla, true. Mipla strong in belblo, all membalo read. Time mipla bung one tem, all membablo mipla se bring in Bible. Mipla strong in belblo, all brata susablo mipla reading Bible. Time igat displa kain bung, all bring in Bible, all by reading. Osem na all can behind him. Because mipla no high team 1 plus something lo all membablo mipla. Na mipla sabi reading Bible, all get a time mipla out team 1 plus school talk o schoolim 1 plus point blo school talk. All time mipla reading Bible. Inaplong all member can clear true. Osem, one something mipla schoolim all true and behind in Bible.